Canva tutorial, how to insert or add page numbers in Canva. To add page numbers or multiple pages on Canva according to its page and sort them by using page numbers, simply open your browser, go to canva.com and go to a certain design, right? Then once you head over to a certain design, this is the kind of interface you will see. The number one over here indicates that this is a page one, as you'll be able to see. So if I want to add more pages, I can simply go ahead and then click on this plus icon and I can keep on customizing it. I can drag one of the pages over here to make that the particular page number as well. I can add up to as many pages as I want. And if I want, I can also choose to delete a certain page by just clicking on the delete page button. And this is how you simply insert pages or multiple pages on Canva. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.